Hey guys, Iode here. I wanted to be the first one to welcome you to our channel. If you aren't aware, we are VERSAI, a music-oriented collective based out of Arizona. We have a lot planned for you in the coming weeks, months, and even years, so we hope that you stick with us for the long haul. If you haven't yet, check out our Instagram for a brief introduction of each of our members. All of us will be working around the clock to be putting out great content and plan awesome things for you guys. This is also brand new territory for us, so it could take a little while for us to get things right. Mondays, you can look forward to a curated mix from one of our members. On Tuesdays, one of us will be sharing their knowledge of production and mixing with you all through informative tutorials. Wednesdays, we will have free-form live streams, which will vary every week. And lastly, on Fridays, we'll be featuring 10 songs each week on a curated playlist by all of us. And that is just the start. We have much more planned, including giveaways, merch, collaborations, exclusive tracks, music videos, events, and more. In the coming months, you'll be hearing a lot more of us as we launch our website and put plans in motion. If you'd like to stay up to date with our upcoming content, please consider hitting the subscribe button and following our social media channels. Thanks for listening in, and I hope you're as excited as we are about this journey.